Welcome back. I had a comment about Dune, so I want to just do a quick, it shouldn't even take a couple of minutes, a quick guide how to navigate in Dune when you're doing your research. Okay, so I put the address in the description, just click it, it'll come up like this. So over here in the search, you're going to put drip. It's going to bring a bunch of different options you have for drip. You got analytics, the reservoir, wallet analysis, the drip token, the drip garden wallet analysis. So if you're looking for the one that I used in reference to my son, it was the drip wallet analysis. So you click that. And it comes up with a generic address here in that that spot. It's not a real address because you can't even click it. So what you need to do at that point is copy your address, copied, and paste it in here, then hit enter. Then, as you can see here, it populates your wallet information. Excuse me. It tells you here, shows that I came in April 22nd of last year. My wallet is 388 days old. The overall is 447 days. It shows you my amount of drip that I've deposited, the faucet payouts, my current balance, the drip wallet, how much I've paid in taxes, how many airdrops I've sent out, drip wallet total kickbacks to my downline. So with my downline, since I have more than 5 people, I have what is called a team wallet. So with the team wallet, if somebody puts $100 in, 75 would go. I'm just using it as an example. So somebody put $1,000 in, then the 10% would get distributed a little bit different. Instead of the $100 coming just to that upline or to me, I would get $75, and that 25 extra dollars would bounce right back to that same person. That's how that's what our dev does. Stuff like that to make sure that nobody makes all the money. It's called the round robin. There's a video on that as well. Then here, how many members I have on my team, the 35. My B reps, because you have to have B reps in order to receive those referral bonuses. And then how many levels I have in downlines. So for the first level, I needed to have 2 B reps. For my second level, 3. And then my last level, 5. So that's how you're navigating around in there. So hopefully this is helpful for you. If you have any other questions or anything, guys, please reach out. And like I said, you can just go through all those different drip options in here and see other things like the drip token, but it's just going to give you how many drippers we have and everything like that. All right, guys, I'm going to end that. You guys have a good night. To all my legends, engage. And remember, this is for educational, informational purposes only. No type of financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Engage.